You need GCash account for the first time? Well, in this video, we'll guide you through on how to create GCash account using mobile phone. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you. To create GCash account, let's go to Google Play Store first to download the application. Once inside, search GCash, then click install. GCash is now downloading. It might take some time depending on your internet speed. Now after done downloading, click open. There is a request permission pop-up. Tap OK. Allow GCash to take pictures and record video. Let's choose while using the app. Allow GCash to send you notifications. Let's allow. Then allow GCash to access photos and videos on this device. Allow all also. Now input your 10-digit phone number. By the way, this is your cell phone number. Originally, this is 11-digit number. You just have to remove the starting number 0. After done inputting, click next. Now for authentication, GCash sent a 6-digit code to your registered mobile number. Once received the message, input it, then hit enter. Then let's click new account. To verify, tell us about yourself. Set the date of your birthday, then tap OK. If you are a Filipino, select yes. Now to proceed, click confirm button below. Now to register, let's input our personal information, starting from first name. Very important. Please take note that your name should match with your valid ID so you will not have any issue verifying later on. Then middle name, last name, birth date. By the way, only age 7 and up can create GCash account. Now, let's input email address, nationality, then main source of fund. Let's select personal savings. Now let's go to current address. Select your province, city or municipality, barangay, zip code, then permanent address. Let's tap same as current address. Then click next. Oops, we can't click next because the house number and street address is blank. So let's fill it up because it's required. And now for permanent address, let's tap same as current address again. Optionally, you can input your referral code, but let's just leave it blank. Now to proceed, click next. Review your information. Once again, I repeat, make sure the details match your valid ID. Otherwise, your application will not be approved. Now, if you are ready to go and have already checked all the details, then click confirm. Set your 4-digit mobile PIN. This will be your GCash password, so never share it to anyone. Now confirm it. Then tap I agree to the terms and conditions. To proceed, click confirm. GCash now introduces a new account security called Account Secure, which you can link your GCash account on this phone only, but if this is not your own phone, you can go back to login. Now let's click register this phone. For authentication, enter the 6-digit code to our registered mobile number. Once received, input it and click submit below. Now congratulations, we have successfully linked our GCash account to this smartphone. Please take note, always remember to unregister before you change phones or uninstall the app. Now let's go to our GCash dashboard, click it. But before that, there is a GCash welcome screen. We will verify our GCash later. Now let's proceed to dashboard, tap it now. So finally we're here in our GCash dashboard homepage. If you want to verify your GCash, I have a part 2 video for that on the end of this video. Since it's a basic account, our wallet limit is only 10,000 pesos with 5,000 outgoing and incoming monthly limit. Now we are done creating our GCash account. If you find this video guide helpful, then please consider subscribing. Thank you.